cars though.
500 and I'll put your gas.
No, you literally do not beat me by 3 cars.
I don't.
There's no reason. No, you beat me. So there's no point in racing.
40 to 140.
4K.
You beat
40,
me.
40 to 140.
You beat me. So why would we race?
40 to 160.
But you don't beat me by 3 cars.
I beat you.
You had to go TU pump to beat me though.
I'm not even TU pump.
Yes, you are, bro. You literally showed it.
It's the
4K.
same pump. My other one blue.
4K.
What happened last time we raced? What happened last time we raced? After 5 runs, I beat you. I have the videos. I beat you by a car plus.
Nigga, that's not. Am I trying? After shit.
Downpipe intake E30 on JB4. Nothing else. JB4 only.
JB4 King.
A few moments later.
500 tonight? 40 to 140? 500?
Yeah.
Did I?
Yeah.
Get that
Do a money run.
with you.
You want to do a money run?
Well, you always come out for 500, right?
You-
Wait, no. In the group chat, who always calls me out for 500?
You want to do a money run?
You-
Yes or no?
You got your part
Yes
on,
or no?
right? You put an
Yes or
extra
no?
part on. You
Yes or
said
no?
once you put that part on, you
Yes
beat
or
me.
no?
Lock it
Yes
in.
or no?
500.
Yes or
500.
no?
With you. 500.
Yes or no?
500.
Yes
50,
or
40,
no?
50, 60. You just roll. Let's
Catch me
go.
the freeway. Catch me the freeway.
40, 50, 60.
Catch me the
What
freeway.
the fuck? What about me?
Bro, you already raced
What
me.
the fuck? Oh, what?
Badass tail lights. Too bad I can only see them when it's parked.
JC's on them. JC Watson.